Hey guys, it's Eric here at the Junkyard again for another episode of what happened. Most of the cars here they have a history that's pretty hard to tell. Maybe they have a minor wreck. Maybe they must have blown an engine. We're left to wonder. This one here, which has a lot of custom writing on it, this one here is pretty obvious what happened. My name is James, and I drive this car. It says on here, and you can see it's the one. What is that, 1UZ-FE, I think it is. It's the same engine that's in the Yaris and the Echo. I'm very familiar with these, having worked on these cars when I worked at the dealer. And this one, you can tell, was, really, really bad wreck here. It had some stuff here, but just look at how obliterated the back of this car is. Boom. I mean, that's just ruined. It's got some comical stuff on it, though. Just divorced. Got the American flag. It says Angel right there. Stand here 6 feet for love. I hope nobody was standing there. But this thing got hit hard, man. Like 40, 50 mile an hour hard. No way this was coming back from that. So we know why this car ends up in a junkyard. And because this is a Toyota, these things tend to live forever. So these parts are being used. You can see a lot of bits and pieces have been taken out of here. One of the cool things about going to the junkyard for me is, finding stuff like that. Hey, here's our muscle car calendar of the year for the 2022 calendar year. And there's always like random bits of stuff. Look, somebody left their clicker in there. They're going to be having a hard time getting in. DVDs and videotapes, and CDs and all kinds of stuff you'll find in here. And occasionally the tool gods will bless you with having a nice tool. But yeah, I want to show that one to you. What a shame. Anyway, until next time, my friends, take care.